Hello, Longisa. This is beef tendons. Is it true that this is healthy? People say that it's healthy, that we should eat it. But I don't know if healthy or not. And then they say also beef is good for you when you have low blood pressure. I don't know if it's true or not. You boil a long time, it's so soft, so good. But eating the beef sometimes help my stomach pain. You know, women pain every monthly. But then it might not work for everybody. So good, thank you, bye-bye. And BFF got this one, can cook for me. Thank you, beautiful Mindy.